Yes.
May I please, my Lord? Lordship, I beg to mention item 29.
Yes.
If 3 weeks' time can kindly be granted to me, Lord. I have taken the consent from my other side, my Lord.
29.
29, my Lord.
On a request made by Sri Surensa Learned State Council, 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
Lordship. I am deeply obliged.
Is there any interim order? No.
No.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 27.
Yes.
3 weeks may be granted to receive instructions, Your Lordship.
25 matter, okay. On a request made by Sri Surensa Learned State Council, 3 weeks' time is granted to enable him to obtain instructions / file affidavit in opposition.
Minutes,
Yes.
minutes, may I come in minutes?
Yes.
Minutes, may I mention item number 24? Minutes
Yes.
pleadings are complete, but I could not come to Kohima today. I will prefer physical arguments minutes. So my
Okay.
lords can have it after winter vacation, my lords, anytime.
What is this matter?
It is quashing of the criminal proceedings minutes.
Criminal proceedings started from a complaint case or FIR
No,
case?
my lords. It is a old matter of 2015. Started on the basis of a alleged CAG report. There are legal issues, millets. So pleadings have been completed. We have actually my associate, Mr. Lotha, he is in flight, millets. He also could not reach. So I'm from Delhi, millets. I will come and argue physically if my lord can accommodate me after winter vacation.
What is your good name?
I'm SK Srivastava, millets.
Okay. Sri S.K. Srivastava, Learned Counsel for the petitioner who has appeared online, has made a request for adjournment and has submitted that he would like to be physically present for the hearing. Para?
There is an interim relief, millets. IR may kindly be continued.
In view of the above, comma matter is adjourned to be listed after the winter vacations. Para?
IR to continue, millets.
We give a date. Since there is an interim order, we'll give a date.
My lords.
List on 20th of January, 20.
My lords. 20th of January, millets. Grateful, millets.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Grateful, millets. Grateful, millets.
Please, Your Lordship.
21, 26.
I beg to mention on behalf of Pichano, Government Advocate, item 30, 31, and 32. We pray for 3 weeks to receive instructions, Your Lordship.
30, 31, 32. Are these connected?
No, Your
Not
Lordship.
connected, okay. On a request made on behalf of the government, 3 weeks' time is granted to enable seeking of instructions / filing of affidavit in opposition. Separate orders, huh? 30, 31, 32. Separate orders.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Is there any interim order?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, I beg to mention item number 25.
Yes,
I'm presenting for respond number 5, 6, and 7, my Lord.
yes,
I'm yet to receive instructions, so kindly allow me 3 weeks' time.
okay.
I've taken consent from the opposite party.
Okay, Sri So-and-so Learned Counsel for the respond numbers 5, 6, and 7 prays for and is granted 4 weeks' time to obtain instructions / file affidavit in opposition.
I have a similar prayer for item number 26.
Is there an interim order in 25? No interim
No, my
order.
Lord.
Similar in
Similar prayer
26?
for 26.
Here for whom? Respond numbers 5, 6, 7?
5, 6, and 7.
Separate orders 5, 6, 7. Respondents are the same.
Much obliged.
Item 40.
40?
Yes, my Lord.
Yes.
Pleadings are complete. May I pray that this matter may be taken up after vacation?
This is for hearing. Where
Yes,
is
ma'am.
seeking time? It's for hearing.
After
Pleadings have to be complete.
Yes, ma'am.
So where are you seeking time?
It may reach or it may not reach today.
It will reach.
So,
It will reach.
Lordship.
If you have some personal difficulty, tell us. But we don't seek adjournment just like that.
on the part of the respondent number 1 and 2 and 3, whether they are ready.
Are you ready or not?
I'm ready for state.
If they are not ready, they'll say.
Union of India.
Is there any difficulty of any of your the colleague of the council? It's an old matter. If you have a personal difficulty, you can express. We'll consider.
May I pray that this matter may be taken up after vacation?
No reason. No reason. You can say Hornbill is the reason. Common reason. Okay. Item number 40. You are for the,
State respondents.
okay. Sri so-and-so learned State Council, prays for some accommodation. Para, as on request, list for hearing after the winter vacation.
Much.
This will be 40. 40, okay.
Much.
Yes,
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes, please.
I beg to mention item number 38, 39,
38,
8 and 39.
39. Yes, yes, hearing matters.
Principal counsel is in bereavement, Lordship.
Who's the council? Who's in bereavement?
Sir N.K. Lukam, Lordship.
Okay. For the respondent,
For the respondent.
one is a 14 matter. How a 14 matter is pending, I do not know. Okay, bereavement will pass over, but we'll try to do it next week. Is it okay? Next week? Next week? Okay. Our request has been made on behalf of Sri N.K. Lukam, learned counsel for the respondent, who is stated to be on bereavement, in bereavement. Para? Since these matters are long pending, comma, while adjournment is granted, comma, the same are directed to be listed on today's 3rd. We can have it on 10th. 10th is okay? 10 December.
Yes, Lordship. Up for appeal.
No, what do you say? 10 December is okay or not?
Yes, yes. For us, it's okay.
No, for you it's okay. For the person who's... Yes, 10 December?
Only with the wisdom of this court, Your Honor.
Okay, 10 December. If there is a
Much obliged.
difficulty on 10 December, will let us know, we'll accommodate. Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 4 to 23.
4 to 23,
Yes,
entire
Lord.
cause list. What will remain? Is there connected matters?
Yes, Your Lordship. There is a division bench matter on a similar issue. So,
What is the issue?
land compensation. It's on land compensation,
Land compensation.
Your Lordship. So the matter can be taken up after the division bench.
We can
matter.
follow the single bench till and dispose of these matters.
I think
Hmm?
the division bench matter might be taken up earlier.
No, if the division bench will cover this. Matters of which year? Okay, 24, okay. Ms. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. You are also making the same prayer? Endorsing? You want adjournment? A joint request has been made on behalf of the parties for adjournment on the ground that the issue is presently pending before the Honorable Division Bench. Para? In view of the above, matters stand adjourned. Matters, S1. Matters stand adjourned to be listed after the winter vacation. Full stop. If there is any development in the meantime, comma, the parties would be at liberty to mention the matters.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
This will be 4 to
4 to 23.
4 to 23. Yes. Is there any interim order? Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item 28, Lordship.
2-8.
Lordship.
Yes, please.
Lordship, on the last occasion, that is 10/11/25, the petitioners, they filed the amended writ petition. However, we have not received the copy. So, in the meantime also.
Why haven't you given a copy?
Lordship, by today itself, Lordship.
You should have given the same date. Sri, so-and-so, you are State Council.
No, Lordship, I am for respondent number 3 to 6, Lordship.
What about the State Council? Have you been served with the amended copy? Item 28?
Yes, Lord.
Have you been served with the amended copy?
Your Lordship, I don't have the idea, Your Lordship, the
Please,
council.
please check if it's not served upon you.
I remember, Lordship, I have given the amended copy to the Government Council.
Okay.
Yes.
Item number 28. It appears that an amended writ petition has been filed pursuant to orders of this court. Full stop. However, the learned counsel for the respondent was
3 to 6, Lordship.
3 to 6 has submitted that copy of the amended writ petition has not been received by him. Para? So, so learned counsel for the petitioner, this side, has undertaken to serve a copy to the learned counsel for the respondent numbers 3 to 6 during the course of the day.
Lordship.
Para? List after a week.
Lordship.
In the meantime, I may be allowed to file my affidavit of opposition.
Then we'll grant you more time.
Lordship.
Don't say after a week. List after 3 weeks to enable the respondents to respond to the amended writ petition.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Much obliged. Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, if I may be allowed to mention item 3, Lordship.
3.
Lordship.
Yes, please.
I'm for the sole respondent here.
Yes.
I have an instruction to appear for it. Lordship, I pray that your Lordship may be gracious to list this matter
Admission
after
matter, we can admit it.
vacation, Lordship.
We can admit it. What is it? This is first appeal. We can admit it. What is the difficulty?
The sole respondent is yet to file the affidavit in
It's
opposition.
not required in an appeal. Appeal is a continuation. You are not required to file pleadings.
Lordship.
It's not a writ proceedings. What is the challenge against?
We are challenging the judgment and order passed by the principal district judge.
Regarding what?
Succession certificate.
We can admit this. First appeal as a matter of right, you can be admitted and have the records called for, fix it for hearing. It's one step forward. It's not going to prejudice anybody, but it will be towards the interest of justice.
Lordship.
You be here.
Lordship, I don't have further instructions since I'm not in this matter. The council is
Who's there in this matter?
I've been instructed by Mr.
Say,
James
Mr. Counsel,
Newman.
sir, these are first appeals.
Lordship.
Admission is almost a matter of right. We can admit this. Unless there is an interlocutory application for stay,
Lordship.
you do not have, should be happy that admitted in matter. You cannot resist an admission. You can resist an interim order. Are you praying for any interim order?
No, Lordship.
Okay, next week then. But don't make prayers of this nature. Huh?
Lordship,
This,
Lordship.
here there is no question of any pleadings. It's the first appeal. Okay, item number 3. And this is pending since 24. We are ending 25.
Lordship.
Stage of admission doesn't look good. Sri so-and-so learned counsel has made a request for adjournment. You are appearing on behalf of whom?
James Newman, for the sole respondent, Lordship.
Oh, on behalf of, you write his name, appearing on instruction of Sri James Newman, learned counsel for the sole respondent. Huh? Para, list after a week for admission.
Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Why? After 2 weeks it will be vacation.
Lordship.
Next to admit it, one step forward, okay?
Much obliged, Lordship.
And if your colleague is not there, come prepared. You just need to take notice, nothing else.
Lordship.
Yes,
My please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 42.
42.
Yes, Lordship.
Hearing matter.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm appearing on behalf of counsel for the petitioner. The counsel is out of session for medical treatment, so continues the matter of the application.
Okay, 42.
Yes.
Yes, madam. Item number 42. On a request made on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner, who is stated to be out of station, matter is adjourned to be listed after the winter vacation. Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 41.
Yes.
Kindly allow the matter to be listed after winter vacation as the senior counsel has personal difficulties to attend the court.
For the petitioner,
Yes, Your Lordship.
same order, huh? After the vacation, 42, same order.
Much obliged.
For motion, item number 1.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, through this petition, the petitioner is challenging the impugn order, Lordship, resolution passed on 22nd of August 2025, Lordship, wherein he, along with his entire family members, were excommunicated, Lordship, from the village for indefinitely, Lordship. And also, not only that, the impugn order also prohibits...
Excommunication is done by whom?
Lordship, normally, Lordship, it is a village council, Lordship.
Now, who are the parties here?
Here in this party, Lordship, the parties are Khel, Lordship, which is Sons of Mundang, Lordship, which is a Khel representative, Lordship. And they don't have the power to do that, Lordship. Now, the reason why the petitioner is here, Lordship, kindly allow me to take you briefly to the facts of the case,
No,
Lordship.
today is for motion, we'll issue notice.
Lordship, I also have an interim prayer because my wife's aged parents are staying in the village,
What is the
Lordship.
kind of interim?
Stay or suspend the impugn order, Lordship.
But it will be an ex parte order, they are not before us. Can you implement this kind of an order?
No, may I please, my lord. My lord, here the petitioner has made response number 1 to as a state as a party. Here, my lord, the petitioner has never approached the respondent, my lord. So it is a bit premature, my lord.
Lordship,
Let them first approach
there's
the
a
authority.
serious violation of human rights will take place, Lordship, fundamental rights.
No,
In
madam,
this sense,
madam,
Lordship,
madam,
because the order,
Have the
Lordship.
patience to have
Yes.
See, there is no dispute about the violation of the human rights, but you have to give the state a chance to rectify or take steps.
Lordship,
You have come against private respondents, you have made state a party, not a problem in a writ proceeding.
Yes,
But
Lordship.
state, did they get a chance to take action in this?
No, yes, Lordship. Let them, Lordship, in the sense that 3 months the petition has awaited, Lordship, for the issue to get resolved,
No,
Lordship.
did you approach them? It doesn't get resolved automatically. Yes. You have to
Lordship,
approach them.
but-
We'll issue notice on your interim prayer. You take instructions, okay? We'll have it next week. Okay? Heard Miss So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by a resolution dated 22/8/2025,
Lordship.
taken by the respondent number
3, Lordship.
3, whereby the petitioner has been excommunicated, but excommunicated / ostracized from capital A dash Khel, Mangmetong village, full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that such action has been done in gross violation of the fundamental rights of the petitioner. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by, we'll have it before the vacation, okay? Or is it possible before the vacation?
My lord, it would be possible.
Lordship, in the meantime, Lordship, let the stay be granted because, Lordship, yes, the state has nothing to do here. But the order has been effectuated by the respondent number 3, Lordship.
No,
And also the
madam,
question of, Lordship,
Madam, if we stay this kind of an order, it has to be implemented. Who will implement it? They are not before us. State is doing of this matter for the first time. We have to give them for some chance. We'll do one thing. We'll do one thing.
Lordship.
You take instructions. We'll have this for motion on Monday next.
Lordship, yes, okay,
May I
that
please,
case.
my lord, my suggestion, my lord, if the petitioner agree, let them submit representation before the deputy commissioner, and the time frame will be given to the deputy commissioner to discuss the matter, my lord.
Yes.
That will be for
Is there any representation pending?
no representation. They have not submitted, my lord.
Lordship, allow me to
So that-
kindly get instruction on that, Lordship, because it's been 3 months, Lordship. I'm sure the petitioner must have taken some steps.
No, your presumption will not do.
Lordship, that instruction I don't have, Lordship.
I am sure the petitioner must have taken steps. That is not do. You have to show us that you had reproached the state. In spite of your reproach, the state has not done anything.
Lordship.
Then you will have a grievance against the state. Now your grievance is not against the state.
My grievance
Your
is not
against
entirely
party.
against the state,
The
Lordship.
grievance is against a private party. We might ask you a question. How
Yes,
is
Lordship.
the writ maintainable?
And it is, Lordship, it is, Lordship.
No,
In fact, allow me to
what-
satisfy this court. I have Supreme Court cases,
No, what
Lordship.
prevents you to go to the civil court?
Lordship,
What prevents you to go to the civil court? This is a private wrong.
it is, Lordship, but it is a question of...
State's road is not arise. He may be right in contending. It's a premature writ.
Lordship, it is
You'll
a...
not be able to overcome this kind of questions, madam.
In fact, Lordship, these are covered cases, Lordship. Already this
Covered
court,
case, but
Lordship,
the state's role has to be there. Is
this,
the state
this court, Lordship, has already passed judgments, Lordship.
Let us see.
You know, yes.
Without even the state knowing about it, what is the kind of judgment? Let us see.
Lordship, challenging, questioning the excommunication order,
On the
Lordship.
motion stage.
No, Lordship, I'm not saying to dispose the matter today,
Let us
Lordship.
see what are the facts here. Madam, there are many issues we can put a question. You see
Lordship.
the parties, we have not put the question. Let us put the question to you. Who are the parties?
Lordship.
Is the committee a party here?
Sorry, Lordship.
Who are the parties?
The parties here, Lordship,
Yes.
we have made a state as
No,
party,
who are the
Lordship.
parties? See the parties,
Then a
3
deputy commissioner,
and 4.
Lordship.
Who's 3 and 4?
3 and 4 are the Lordship chairman of
Where is the entity, madam? You are talking about writ proceeding. Where is the entity before us?
Lordship, these are also entities, Lordship, which
Chairman.
discharges public functions,
We have not
Lordship.
understood. Chairman is a functionary of the committee. Where is the committee before us? Have you made the committee a party?
Yes, Lordship.
Where?
Respondent number 4, Lordship.
4, secretary.
Secretary, Lordship.
Secretary is not a committee, madam. That much of rudimentary knowledge you should have. You are practicing in the High Court.
But the bodies have been set up like that,
Where
Lordship.
you have to make the body a party, committee a party. That is the legal entity.
Lordship, the functionary there, secretary is heading, Lordship, not the chairman,
These are
Lordship.
not matters of discussions, madam. These are elementary knowledge. You should make the entity a party represented by the secretary, represented by the chairman.
Exactly, Lordship.
You have
That's
not
why
made the
secretary
party.
is made a party, Lordship.
Where?
If there is no chairman, Lordship, if there is no chairman, then how do we make the chairman a
I'm
party?
very sorry. Either you are not understanding or you are refusing to understand.
No, Lordship.
You should make the entity a party and you represent the entity by the secretary, by the chairman, anyone.
Respondent 3 is the entity, Lordship.
See, why do
That
you
is-
make? Why do
he's
you
a
make?
chairman, Lordship.
Why do you make the state of Nagaland a party? You can make the chief secretary a party.
Represented
Why?
by the chief
Yes.
secretary, Lordship.
So if you understand
Yes.
that,
Yes.
so a committee should be a party, represented by the chairman or the secretary.
Lordship, the entity which has passed the excommunication order has been made party, Lord, through the chairman, Lordship. Respondent number 3, Lordship.
That is not, 3 is the chairman. The committee is not the party.
Then committee is respondent number 4, Lordship.
Again, please look at the respondents. Committee is not respondent number 4. Committee is respondent number 4 is the secretary. There are many issues, madam. It's not that easy that you cite some laws, you get an order. If you are seeking perfection, you should be perfect.
Lordship, in this case, I'm not seeking perfection, Lordship.
No, you are.
It is just
you
your
are-
parents
since
has
you
been
are-
violated, Lordship.
We understand.
Yes, Lordship.
By coming to the court saying violation, that is one part. But how have you approached the court? Those are questions which may come up. And these are not very difficult things to make the entity a party. You have not approached the government. That question I may put to you. How is the writ manageable? Where is the state's role? State's role is yet to come up. Okay, you take instructions. Friday will like to, Monday will have this matter. Okay? And that suggestion also may be of filing a representation and a direction for consideration. That may be also there.
My lord, what instruction I will receive from the government, because they have not approached.
No, regarding
So, my lord,
regarding the grievance.
For the interest of justice,
Yes.
I'm submitting for the interest of justice. Let them give opportunity to the petitioner. to
No, but
submit
here
representation.
you are on notice of this case,
Yes.
of the order. You can take instructions what kind of measures can you take, okay? On Monday next.
Lordship.
Don't write the first part, okay? The grievance of the petitioner is against an order dated 22/8/2025, whereby he has been excommunicated / ostracized from A. Khel Mangmetong village, full stop. This court has, however, noticed that though the state is made a party, till now, no representation of any nature has been submitted to the state authorities, full stop, para. In view of the above, this court directs the State Council to obtain instructions regarding the course of action which may be adopted. Para. Let an extra copy be served upon so during the course of the day. Let this matter be listed for motion on Monday next.
Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
You can take this.
Much obliged.
You can take this. Give this back. Madam, you take your decision back. It may come to you. Item number? Yes.
Lordship, the order is at page 81.
Is last order 311, we had said something. What have you done?
Your Lordship, we actually, I have stated that like we have filed an affidavit and like we are awaiting actually the review, Your Lordship.
No, on 311, there was a observation by this court regarding the salary part.
Salary, Your Lordship, we have already given Your Lordship, and for No, October and November, we will be releasing this week, Your Lordship. Lordship. September, we have already released, Your Lordship, and October and November, we will be releasing this week.
This is where we.
What I'm informed.
But has the order been complied with?
Your Lordship, I have already filed an affidavit stating that, like, meantime, we have actually gone for review, and the review is yet to be listed for motion, Your Lordship, till then.
When have you filed the review?
Review is, I have filed on, Your Lordship, on 14/8/2025.
Where have you filed?
Supreme Court, Your Lordship, Apex Court.
This was even recorded in the last order, 311.
No, it is recorded on the last, because I have been pleading from the day one, Your Lordship. But since this Your Lordship was concerned about the
see the order of this court, the last part.
Yes, Your Lordship.
As far as the prayer in the contempt petition is concerned, learned counsel has submitted that a review petition has been filed on 14/8
Yes.
in the Honorable Supreme Court. However, the same is still pending for listing and passing of orders. It is therefore prayed that some time may be given to the respondent to comply with the judgment of this court.
Yes, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, the thing is that we are actually awaiting that review, Your Lordship. So, if this Lordship can graciously
That
grant
would
time,
not be a ground for not complying.
Exactly, Lordship. But still, Your Lordship.
Unless there is a stay order from a competent court, a higher court, or even the same court in a review petition.
That's why, Your Lordship, my humble prayer is that it is yet to be listed for motion. If it has been listed and if there is no stay, then yes, that will be applicable, Your Lordship. However, it is yet to be
See,
listed.
from 14/8/2025, for the last more than 3 months, it is not listed.
On 2 occasions, it was.
If there was urgency on your part, you have to move that urgently.
Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
You cannot wait for time indefinite.
Your Lordship, I don't know the working system there, but on 2 occasions, tentatively, it was supposed to be listed on 2 occasions. But again, it got removed, Your Lordship.
For that, should the petitioner suffer? Who is armed with an order of this court?
That's true, Your Lordship.
He should not suffer. No party in favor of whom a court's order is there should suffer.
Lordship, actually, prior to this, August, that was already referred
Okay, last opportunity will grant, okay? But if you don't get an order or praise an order of the Honorable Supreme Court, then we'll take action in accordance with law.
Lordship, then some considerable time may be
We
given.
will give you a considerable time, but it was filed in August. We are in December. We'll have immediately after the reopening, so winter vacation. If you know, then we'll have to initiate contempt proceedings.
Your Lordship, we kindly appreciate that, like, it's off the record.
We are granting you time.
It's off the record, Your Lordship, but I have already stated in my affidavit also that the petitioners and the government, they have entered into some agreement, like where the High Committee, Your Lordship, are looking into that.
No, Madam, those will consider definitely,
Yes, Your Lordship,
because see, contempt will have to be satisfied that there is a willful and deliberate disobedience.
So, Your Lordship, we are also
If you
making
can
an
show,
effort to
if you can
parallel.
show that you are trying to comply with the order.
Yes, Your Lordship, that's why we are also parallelly, Your Lordship, looking into that
Heard Ms.
case of the
Suensu,
petition.
learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Ms. Suensu, learned counsel for the respondents. Para? The learned counsel for the respondents has, however, submitted that the petition for review filed in the Honorable Supreme Court is yet to be listed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Full stop. Para? It appears that the same prayer, same information, same submission was made on the earlier occasion, that is 3/11/2025, for which this court had granted time, para, as a last opportunity, matter is adjourned to be listed immediately after the winter
Lordship,
vacation.
if it can be little bit later part of January, so that at least
You are getting more than a month, madam.
between there is a vacation. So.
Vacation? January first week, it's all holidays, so how do you, it's not, after the vacations, when after 14th of January?
Yes, maybe somewhere on 20th.
After the winter, we don't say immediately after the winter vacation. Full stop. It is however made clear that if on the next date,
Your Lordship, my humble prayer will be considered, Your Lordship, because if it's not,
No.
we will make an
consider
endeavor.
that
But let it not
if no orders of the Honorable Supreme Court is presented, this court would pass appropriate orders.
Obliged, Lordship.
For orders, item number 33.
Yes.
May please, my lord, I'm for the sole respondent here. And on the last occasion, lordship, provide an order dated 69/2025 in one interlocutory application that was filed along with the civil revision. Lordship, for condonation of delay, they filed an IA. However, this court was not satisfied with the reason that was supplied before this honorable court, and therefore, the court had given the petitioner liberty to withdraw and file another IA. However, to this day, an IA has not been filed.
Okay. None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas Sri so learned counsel for the respondent is present. Sole respondent.
Yes, my lord.
Sole respondent
Yes, my
is present. Para. On the earlier occasion, that is 26/5/2025, the following order was passed. Full stop. Para. Till now. After 26/5. Though the matter was directed to be listed after a week, till now, it appears that no fresh IA has been filed.
Yes, my lord, and therefore this ought to be dismissed.
It clearly appears that the applicant are not interested to pursue this case. Full stop. Accordingly, the present case is dismissed for non-prosecution.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
For orders, item number 34.
May I please, Your Lordship? The respondent number 2 has passed away, and they have filed an impleadment affidavit, and we are yet to file the affidavit, Wakalatnama for the impleaded parties.
You will be appearing for those?
Yes.
Okay, we'll grant time. Okay.
No objection.
It transpires that on the passing away of the original respondent number 2, his legal heirs have been impleaded. Full stop. Para. Ms. So-and-so learned counsel has submitted that though instructions are there to appear on behalf of the substituted legal heirs, formal wakalatnama is yet to be filed. Full stop. She accordingly prays for and is granted 2 weeks' time to file the wakalatnama. List after the winter vacation.
For orders, item number 35.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, here as per the order dated 3/11/2025, Your Lordship, I have served notice of dusty upon respondent number 1, 2, and 5, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, for respondent number 4, Your Lordship, since the chief engineer, Your Lordship, BWD Housing, Your Lordship, he retired, Your Lordship, I was allowed to take impleadment trials.
Yes.
I filed my IA, Your Lordship. If the matter can come up on Monday.
Okay, you have filed the IA for
Yes, Your
impleadment?
Lordship, we have filed our IA. It's yet to be listed.
Okay. Sri so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that an interlocutory application for impleadment of a new incumbent has been filed, which has not been listed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Accordingly, matter is adjourned to be listed on Monday, along with the IA said to have been filed.
Lordship.
Please give the date, Monday. Get date.
Lordship.
For orders, item number 36.
Yes.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 1 in this matter, and additional AG is appearing for respondent number 3 and 5. Lordship.
Would you like to file your affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship. We are yet to receive
Okay, we'll allow them to file affidavit?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, for respondent number 2 and 4, they haven't appeared yet.
Lordship, I'm for respondent number
4.
I filed my bakalat.
All the respondents have appeared?
Yes, Lordship, except for number 2.
Yes, respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2
is appeared.
hasn't appeared yet.
To who's to?
Home Commissioner, Lordship.
Notice steps taken?
Yes, Lordship.
No, 3 and 5. Commissioner.
is awaited, 2 is awaited. When was notice issued? 6:10.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Heard Sri Swenso learned counsel for petitioner, huh? Petitioner's name. Yes. Para? Sri Swenso learned counsel for the respondent.
Respondent number 4.
And 2 here for 2.
No, Your Worship, I'm for 1.
1 and?
1 and V. Chokre is for 3 and 5.
Okay. Sri so-and-so learned counsel for the respondent number 1, Ms. so-and-so learned AAG for the respondent numbers 3 and 5, and Sri so-and-so learned counsel for the respondent number 4 have entered appearance and have prayed for time to file the affidavit in opposition. Para? List after 4 weeks to enable filing of such affidavit in opposition. Para? On the next date, comma, fresh report of service upon the respondent number 2 may also be notified by the court, by the office.
Obliged. Deeply obliged.
For orders, item number 37.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, as directed by Honorable Court, the notice upon respondent number 2 has been served on.
This criminal appeal against what is? Appeal against?
Appeal against conviction and
Under
section 9 and 11 of POCSO Act.
Okay. What is the term?
7 years.
Single bench matter?
Yes, Lord.
Okay. 2 is the victim? 2 is the victim or the informant?
This is the complainant.
Complainant, yes. Okay. 2 has been served?
Yes, my Lord. Your Lordship, may kindly see the page number 2, acknowledgement.
Heard Sri so-and-so learned counsel for the applicant. What is the IA for?
For condonation of delay.
How many days?
171 days.
Okay. Will condone the delay. Okay. Heard Sri so-and-so learned counsel for the applicant. Also heard Sri so-and-so. You are the PP?
Yes, my Lord.
Learned PP. Full stop. The learned PP has also placed before this court communication dated 27/11/2025 issued by the officer in charge, Women Police Station, Phek, Nagaland, on the aspect of service of notice upon the respondent number 2. Para. The instant application has been filed for condonation of delay of 171 days in preferring the connected appeal has been filed under section 5 of the Limitation Act. Huh? So the inserted has been filed under section. The impugned by the impugned judgment and order dated 28/3/2025, the petitioner, the applicant has been convicted and sentenced under provisions of the POCSO Act in connection with so-and-so case. Para? Sri so-and-so, the learned counsel for the applicant, has submitted that due to reasons beyond his control, the delay in filing the appeal has occasioned. Full stop. In this connection, the learned counsel has drawn the attention of this court to the averments made in paragraph 2 and 3 of the paragraph 3 of the petition. Full stop. 3 so-and-so learned PP, State of Nagaland, has not strenuously objected to the prayer for condonation of delay and has submitted that he would rather object on the merits of the case. Para. As noted above, the respondent number 2 has been served. Para. An application for condonation of delay is required to be considered in a pragmatic and justice-oriented manner, more so when the impugned order is regarding conviction and sentencing of the applicant. Full stop. And a person cannot be left remediless to prefer an appeal against such an order of conviction and sentencing. And this court is satisfied with the reasons projected for the delay in approaching the court within the prescribed period of limitation. Para. In view of the above, comma, this court is of the view that a case for condemnation of delay is made out. Full stop. Para. The delay of 171 days in preferring the appeal is accordingly condoned. Full stop. The IA stands allowed. Full stop. Let the appeal be listed for admission in the next week.
Your Lordship, in main case,
it has to come for appeal admission.
Yes,
yes,
Lord.
Next week.
much obliged.
That's all.